This tutorial shows you how to attach a file to a message using Blackboard Internal Mail Messages tool. To access Blackboard Messages tool, click on the Messages link on the course menu. When you are on the Messages page, click on Create Message. To find the person to whom you would like to send the message, click on To. You will see the list of students and your professor. Select the person to whom you will send the message and click on the right arrow to bring the person to the Recipients box. Enter the message subject in the Subjects box. Type the message in the body, the Content Editor box. Click on Browse under Attachment. Locate the file. Double-click on the file. In the attachment, you see the file name. Click on Submit to send your message with the file. To verify that your message has been sent, go to Sent folder. When you see the message you just sent in the Sent folder, it confirms that your message has been sent successfully.